few years back, series creator Matt Groening revealed the fictional Springfield was based on this town in Oregon near his hometown of Portland. Killer ratings. Diagnosis. The Pharmacist. Crip Camp. The Devil Next Door. Night on Earth. The Chef Show. The Innocence Files. Street Food. Killer Inside the Mind of Aaron Hernandez. Killer Inside the Mind of Aaron Hernandez. Our Planet.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.